Hello everyone, and welcome back in today's video. We're diving into a topic that's both noble and impactful, donating your car to charity in California. If you've ever wondered how this process works, the benefits, and the steps you need to follow, you're in the right place. So, let's jump right in. The why and benefits of donating your car. Before we delve into the details, let's discuss why donating your car to charity is a great idea. First off, it's an incredible way to give back to your community and make a positive impact. Not to mention, it's an eco-friendly choice that can help reduce your carbon footprint. Additionally, by donating your car, you might be eligible for a tax deduction, which can provide some financial relief. Now, let's talk about the steps involved. Choosing the right charity. Step 1 is selecting the charity you want to donate to. In California, there are numerous reputable charities that accept car donations. It's essential to research and choose an organization that aligns with your values and goals. Look for charities that are transparent about their donation process and how they utilize the proceeds. Preparing for donation. Once you've chosen a charity, it's time to prepare your car for donation. Make sure to remove all personal belongings and thoroughly clean the vehicle. You'll also need to have the car's title and any relevant documentation ready. Contacting the charity. Step 3 involves getting in touch with the charity of your choice. Most charities have dedicated hotlines or online forms where you can provide information about your vehicle. They'll likely ask about the car's make, model, condition, and mileage. The donation process. After contacting the charity, they'll arrange for the car's pickup. Many charities offer free towing services, which is incredibly convenient. Once the car is picked up, you'll receive a receipt acknowledging the donation. This receipt is crucial for tax purposes. Tax deductions and paperwork. Speaking of taxes, let's talk about the potential deductions. Since car donation is a charitable contribution, you might be eligible for a tax deduction. However, the exact amount depends on the car's value and how the charity uses it. To claim the deduction, you'll need to itemize your deductions on your tax return and include the receipt provided by the charity. Impact of your donation. One of the most rewarding aspects of donating your car is knowing the impact you're making. Charities often use the proceeds to fund various programs, from education to healthcare and more. It's a wonderful feeling to contribute to positive change in your community. Final thoughts. Host. In conclusion, donating your car to charity in California is a meaningful way to give back, support a cause you care about, and potentially get a tax deduction in return. Remember to research charities, prepare your car, and keep all necessary documentation for tax purposes. The process is relatively straightforward, and the impact is immeasurable. Thank you so much for watching today's video on donating your car to charity in California. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more content like this. If you have any questions or experiences with car donation, please share them in the comments below. Until next time, take care and keep making a positive difference.